Today we'll discuss about an error which we will come across when you are running a Python program. Okay, so I already installed a GroupPy package, but whenever I try to run a program, Python program, while connecting a sensor, here in this case I am running DHT Pro, any which one, humidity and temperature sensor, okay, DHT11. So whenever I try to run the program python space grew underscore dht underscore pro dot by the default program for humidity and temperature, I come across an error like import group by and then import di2c error. So no module named di2c error. Okay, so module not found error, no module named di underscore i2c error. Okay, this is what error it is appearing for me. Okay, so again I'm repeating, while I run the program by using my Raspberry Pi, on top of that I put group pi and I connected temperature and humidity sensor in the port number D4. Okay, I run the program. I went to the folder home pi dexter group pi software python. There is a program, python program, by default there is a program for running humidity and temperature, dht grew underscore dht underscore pro dot py. If you want to see the content of that program, just go for nano, then type this, I think copy paste the program name. No, I think you have to type that. Okay, I think grew underscore dht underscore pro dot py. So this is the program for printing temperature and humidity. Okay, I connected the sensor in fourth pin. See, this is fourth pin mentioned here. After that, blue 0 white 1. So I connected the blue sensor, so that's why 0 here. And temperature comma humidity, it read by using groupy.dht, groupy function. Inside that dht, this is a package, okay, groupy package. Inside that dht function, I'm calling sensor comma blue. Sensor is fourth pin, blue is 0. Then if math.isNaN of temperature equal to false, yani both are number false, yani both are number, means print temperature and humidity. Okay, so when I run this program I'm getting error. That's what I'm going to solve. This is a common error I found in many cases. Okay, so what I will do, even if you run any other program also same error. Okay, just I take the sample case of DHT. So what is the solution for this? Okay, so solution I write in the steps here. See, you have to download di underscore i2c.py and di underscore mutex.py into the machine and upload these files into the Dexter GroupPy software Python folder. The same folder where you are running the program, there you want to upload the programs, the Python program you can run, you can download from internet. Okay, d underscore i2c.py and d underscore mutex.py you have to download and upload into this folder. After that, pip install sudo means may be a supervisor. Okay, sudo pip install python hyphen periphery package. Then again install wiring py. Okay, another package you have to install. Then run python d underscore i2c py and d underscore mutex.py and groupy.py. This is a syntax. Okay, this is a sequence. Okay, first I will show you where I downloaded these files. Okay, so actually I have downloaded it in my machine. You can just google and you can find out. Okay, for me I put that files here, di underscore i2c.py. Let me check here. Master 2004 IoT lab manual Raspberry Pi. Here I downloaded d underscore i2c d underscore mutex. Okay, you have to upload this file into the folder in the Raspberry Pi. Okay, I'll go to the machine. Okay, so here I want to go to this one. Where is my folder? Okay, course material. Okay, I'll do, okay, sorry, what I will do is I will go to 192.168.1.102. Okay, now what I will do, I'll upload the files here, then I'll transfer. Okay, so upload here the files di underscore i2c.py, upload again one more time, then again upload d underscore mutex.py, upload. Okay, now both files are here. Now I want to transfer these files to that folder location. Okay, software Python folder. Okay, so here when I go, this is my destination folder. Okay, so I'll just type pwd, print work and directory. This is a place where I want to copy the files. Okay, after that I want to go back, cd space dot dot, cd space dot dot, cd space dot dot cd space. I can give cd slash, but still I try. Okay, now ls, where I put my files, cd notebooks, cd notebooks. Then let me try here. There, yes, it's there in cd notebook. Okay, now I want to copy these files. Okay, so first I will type cp minus r, where I am in slash home slash pi slash notebook. Okay, first I will copy di underscore i2c dot py space. I want to copy into this folder. Okay, so destination folder, I'll copy and paste here. Done. Okay, now same command, just change that program name, python program. I want to now copy into that folder. The file name is di underscore mutex.py. So di underscore mutex.py. Done. Okay, now after that, what should I do? What is the next step? Run sudo pip install python periphery in terminal. Okay, so I'll just copy sudo pip install python periphery. Maybe they will ask you to run in py user. Okay, let's try. So go here, I'll copy this one, paste here. So it is done. Okay, they're asking if you want to upgrade the pip version, you can upgrade. Okay, if you want, just write pip install upgrade to upgrade the pip into next level. Okay, next version. It is 1.9 19.2.1. Now it becomes 24. Okay, you can check that by using pip. It's not actually not compulsory late or later to this one. Okay, just for the namesake I'm trying. Okay, even though they show that one, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm install that one. Installing that, it's not actually related to this one, but still as they are asking me to do, I did. Okay, no issue. It's not compulsory. Now pip is become pip 24. Okay, now after that, next step is sudo pip install wiring py. This is another package you want to install. Okay, so this one also I will install this one. Okay, done. Now what is pip? Next step is, where is the word file here? Run python d underscore i2c dot py da mutex and do py. Okay, so first I will run d underscore i2c dot py. Let's try. Copy, go here, python, paste. Done. Now python d underscore mutex dot py, d underscore mutex dot py. Next, okay, python this command, copy here, python da underscore mutex.py, also done. Now python groupy.py. Okay, because the error was actually in the groupy.py, which one, program. That's why I have to run all these things one by one. Okay, now python space this one, no such file. Okay, actually the file is where it is in software folder. Okay, so cd space dot dot cd dexter groupy software python. Now we will run this python groupy.py program. Run library support version. Again, this I will repeat the same for di mode, because the software, the file is actually stored in this location. Okay, run. Now python d underscore i2c dot py, also copy and paste. Run. Now all the packages are done as per that commands. Okay, now all the steps are being done, all the packages downloaded, installed, everything, and run also. Now we have to run that first program which displayed error, right? Python grew underscore dht.py. Okay, I hope it will run without error. Now it's okay. the temperature, humidity, I think that it is printing maybe that 2976, right? So you have to run it again. Okay, so it is coming. Okay, so it's running in between, I think some minus value, but actually it's printing. Okay, not like earlier. Okay, so this is how we remove that errors. Okay, how we remove that error, d2 i2c error I removed in this method. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay.